welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Selena Zinchak. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take Sonia hair from this big, beautiful, voluminous hair to this box braid using only her natural hair. I did not add in any braiding hair. If you would love to see how I achieve this, then please keep on watching. I did wash her hair 5 days ago, and then I just threw it into these 3 big braids. I'm now just going to take it down and then part it the way in which I want her hair to lay, and then I will just continue the process. This is a self-explanatory video, so I will just leave you guys to watch it and enjoy it. I will be using my S Secrets Growth Oil, my aloe vera butter. I will leave that video down in the description box just in case if you want to know how to make it, and also our braiding gel.
Hi family, I can't believe that my mom actually knew how to make this hairstyle. I've seen people at school have this hairstyle, but I never knew that she actually knew how to make it. And now I'm so happy that I have this hairstyle. I've always wanted it.
Thanks for watching. Can you please follow me on Instagram at Selena Zenchuk and also my business page at SSecrets2018. If you love this video, can you please give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.